Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your device has power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Now open Settings and navigate to Security or Lock Screen. Names vary by device, but the path is similar. Enter your current PIN when prompted. This proves you own the device and unlocks options. Once done, you'll see choices like Screen Lock Type or Change PIN. Follow the visible prompts, they gate the change, so completing this step is required before turning the PIN off. You now choose the lock type, tap Screen Lock Type, and pick None or Swipe to remove the PIN. The system will ask you to authenticate again. Enter the current PIN to proceed. Make sure you understand the trade-offs. Removing PIN may enable biometrics or patterns as fallback, so check fingerprint or face settings if you want more security. Once you confirm, the device will apply the change and return you to the main security screen. Make sure the lock type reads None or Swipe. You finish by locking the device or rebooting to verify the PIN is gone. Try waking the screen and unlocking. It should no longer ask for the PIN. If you rely on biometrics, make sure fingerprints or face data are still enrolled and functioning. If the change didn't stick, retry the authentication sequence, ensure the OS is current, and then toggle the option again. If problems persist, use a backup PIN or factory reset only after backing up. That's the
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.